know, our approach is different. Our approach is from Parañaque. Aura, SM Aura. That's SM Aura over there.
Saan? Awa? Wala na.
Napinulan mo yung bahay.
Awa?
Oh yeah, I think we're gonna pass by C5, no?
Basta. Basta.
No, I think...
Basta.
Awa?
Oo. Susan. Actual right na.
Wala na. Wala na.
Ah, Susan's house. Susan's house.
Wala na.
Somewhere here. Here, that's Bayani Road, oh. Where's Susan's house? Oh, there! That's Susan's house! That's her house! Over there, yeah. White man. Look at the helicopter. Yeah. UH-1H. UE. South Superhighway. Smooth. You see those two round things?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed
That's radar.
at International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. We are now proceeding towards the Nida Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3 for your proper disembarkation. Kalahatan pa lamang natin sa pari-para pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino sa Maynila. Tayo po ay patungo sa Ninoy Aquino International